Make a great choice today with the 2003 Avalanche. The Chevy Avalanche can transform from an SUV into a full-size pickup truck, all in less than a minute. This makes the Avalanche one of the most flexible vehicles out there. This vehicle has less than 150,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: remote keyless entry, rear step bumper, fog lights, front license plate bracket, front wheel independent suspension, four-wheel disc brakes, speed control, rear window defroster, security system, power windows. This vehicle offers reliability and good looks at a great price. So come in and take a test drive today.